Hey guys, today I'm bringing you one of the most special BMWs ever made. A car that didn't just define an era, it redefined what the letter M really means. We're talking about the BMW M3 E46 CSL, a car that you don't buy with your head, you buy it with your heart. But first, let me ask you something. Would you buy a red BMW? Or are you one of those who absolutely hate that color? Personally, I'd go for something else. I'm not sure red fits a BMW. And before we move on, I'll ask you a quick favor. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me keep bringing you stories like this one. The M3 CSL was born in 2003, and only 1,383 units were ever built. Yes, you heard that right. 1,383. That means there are more Ferrari 458s on the road than M3 CSLs. Even though it was based on the regular M3 E46, the CSL was a completely different beast. Lighter, sharper, wilder. The name CSL stood for Coupe Sport Leichtbau, which translates to Coupe Sport Lightweight. BMW stripped away everything unnecessary. Less sound insulation, carbon fiber seats, a carbon roof, and a sound that literally makes your hair stand on end. Under the hood sat the same S54 3.2-liter inline-six, but tuned to produce 360 horsepower at 7,900 revolutions per minute. And here's something interesting. It didn't come with a manual gearbox. Only the SMG2, a single-clutch automated manual that many people dislike today. But back then, it made the car feel like it had come straight from a racetrack. It was basically the same manual gearbox from the regular M3, but with an electronically controlled clutch and paddle shifters. BMW even marketed it as technology derived from Formula One. The downside? It was harsh and clunky in city driving, but on a twisty road or track, it was brutally fast for its time. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.9 seconds. But what really blew people away was how furiously it revved and screamed. It was pure adrenaline in the shape of a straight six. And what about the body types? Just one. The coupe. No convertible, no touring, no nonsense. BMW made it clear, this car wasn't built to show off. It was built to drive. The regular M3 E46 did come as a convertible, but the CSL was a statement. If you want to feel the road, close the roof and grab the wheel. Do you know how much it cost new? Back in 2003, a CSL started at around 85,000 euros. A small fortune for the time. And today, if you're lucky enough to find one in good shape, be ready to pay anywhere between 150,000 euros and 250,000 euros, depending on mileage and condition. Some pristine examples have even gone for over $300,000 at auction. Yes, it's now a collector's gem. And the funny thing, many owners used them as daily drivers back in the day. Now, whoever owns one keeps it like a sacred relic. But what truly makes the CSL special isn't the numbers, it's the feeling. The way every gear change shakes your soul. That metallic howl from the straight six as it climbs toward the red line. It's a mechanical symphony, a battle cry from a time when BMW still built cars. For people who love to drive, so tell me, would you rather have a regular M3 E46 to enjoy every day without fear? Or a CSL to preserve, cherish, and show off as a piece of art? And one more thing. Do you think BMW will ever build something like this again? Or has that magic disappeared forever? Let me know in the comments. I want to know if you're a purist, or one of those who believe progress has killed the soul of cars. In my opinion, the M3 E46 CSL wasn't perfect, but that's exactly what made it human. It had character, it had soul, and when you drove it, you knew. You were behind the wheel of something unrepeatable. Cars today might have more power, more screens, more tech, but none have recreated that perfect mix of madness, lightness, and passion. That made the CSL the purest BMW ever built. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next ride.